Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to add a specific page number on Microsoft Word. Here I have an example. It is title page. This page is without number. It is table of content. It starts with a page number. It is first paragraph. It is started with 1 and also 2, 3 up to end. Let us do it. I don't want to add page number for title. We need to make section. Put your cursor in the end of paper, then come to layout. Here is bricks. Click on bricks. Click on next page. Come here in the footer, double click here. Look, it is section 1 and also it is section 2. I need 3 sections. Again, scroll down, put your cursor in the end of table of content. It is one section, it is other section, this page is the other section. Put your cursor in the end of paper, then repeat this step, layout, bricks, page bricks. Again, click on the footer. Look, it is section 2, it is section 3. Let's add different page number or specific page number. In this step, don't forget to deactivate this link and also come here and also come to section 2 and deactivate this link. Let's add page number. Guys, before adding page number, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. Put your cursor in the end of this paper or this section. Come to insert. Here is page number. Click here. We can add page number on the top and also we can add page number on the bottom. We want to add page number on the bottom. Click here. I want to add this page number, but my page number is number. I want to start with A. How we can do it? Again, come to insert. Here is page number. Here we have format page number. Click here. Here is number format. I want to add letter. I want to start from A. Then click on OK. Look, it is A. This page is without page number and this page is with number, but it is start with 2. I want to start with 1. Again, repeat this step. Click here. Come to insert page number. Click on format page number. Then click start at 1. Look, now it is start with 1. It is 2. When you click here, again click on insert, come to page number. If you want to remove page number, click here, remove page number. Now it is removed. I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.